Do you want this?
Are you ready to win the ultimate Touring Australia prize pack valued at over $35,000?
Wow, now this prize includes from Mode 4x4 Accessories, a canopy.
Plus fitment.
Yes, and from MSA 4x4 Accessories, your choice of storage solutions. Plus, from Stratus Outdoors, one of their adventure packs. From Nakie, one of everything. From Outback Tracks, one of everything. A water transfer solution from our good mates at Adventure Pumps. Plus, the ultimate off-road touring pack from Light Force Lighting, like we have on our 79. And to complement your Mode canopy, a roof rack from Off-Road Animal and McCormack's 4-wheel drive.
And Dad, don't forget Expedition 134 storage boxes.
Yes, and from Australian 4x4 Treks, a 16-night Cape York tag-along tour for 2 people, plus 6 nights relaxing in a luxury bush lodge with our good friends up at Rossville Retreat.
This is the ultimate Australian touring pack, and it's yours to win. How do you enter?
It is so easy, only 2 simple steps. Number 1, subscribe to our YouTube channel, smash that little red button, and number 2, complete the entry form on our website with your details. It is that easy.
You gotta be in it to win it.